Okay, we're going to finish up Chapter 6 by doing a number of problems out of the back of the book. The first one I'm going to do is 6.1a. It says FIFO under a perpetual inventory, but I'm first going to solve this as a periodic inventory. And so I'm going to do that first, and then I'll compare that to the perpetual next. All right. So it says at the beginning of inventory at Midnight Supplies and the data on purchases and sales for a 3-month period ending March 31st are as follows. And it gives you the January 1 inventory of 7,500 at a cost per unit of $75. And then there's a purchase on January the 10th. There are 2 sales. 3 sales on the 28th and 30th of January, and then again on the February the 5th. And then another purchase, 2 more sales, purchase, sale, purchase, sale. So those are the transactions for the 3-month period. And it's asking to record the inventory cost of goods sold data on perpetual using FIFO. So we're to determine, and in every problem, I'm going to be determining two numbers, and that is what is the value of ending inventory, and then what is the cost of goods sold. All right. So I've got a blank Excel spreadsheet here that I've formatted a little bit. So I've got date, units, and then cost per unit, and then total cost. Okay? So on January 1, and we'll just use 2020, we had 7,500 units in stock at $75 per, and that is a total of 562,500, and that's given to you. So for periodic, and this is going to be problem 4-1A, periodic. Okay, so 4-1A, periodic. All right, so under that periodic, we just record the purchases. So we have a January 10th purchase of 22,500 that cost 85 per, and I'll do the totals here in a second once I get all the data in here. We have a February 10th purchase of 54,000 that cost us $87.50. Let me go ahead and reformat that to 2 decimal places. Then we have a March 5th purchase of 45,000 that cost us $89.50. And then lastly, we had a purchase on March the 25th of 7,500 units at 90. All right, so that's our total inventory. So get the totals in here, expand that out a little bit so that we can see it. And then we want to get a total of our cost of goods available for sale as well as the number of units. So this is available. And we can put a double line. that and that. All right, so that's everything that we have available for sale. So how many did we sell? All right, so that was we sold 1,100 on the 28th of January, 3,750 on the 30th of January, another 1,500 on February the 5th. On the 16th of February, 27,000 units were sold. And the 28th, we sold 25,500. Then a 30,000 sale on March 14th. And lastly, 26,250 on the 30th of March. So in ending inventory, we have left over 11,250 units. So 11,250 is our ending inventory. So under FIFO, which units are those? So we're selling all of the old units first, which leaves us an ending inventory, and that's what we're going to solve for, is just ending inventory. How many units do we have? Well, we have all 750 units that we bought on March 25th. So 750 units. And what does that leave us? Well, we need a total of 11,250. We've just identified 7,500 of them, and those all cost us $90 a piece. So what is left is 3,750, and that came from the batch that we bought on March the 5th. Extend that out, multiply it, and we get a total ending value in ending inventory of 1,010,675. So 1,010,675. So what does that give us for cost of goods sold? Well, we know that we had 11,902,500 of total goods available for sale. We have still in ending inventory 1,010,675. So the difference is cost of goods sold. And that's solving it under a periodic inventory system. Okay? I'll do under a perpetual inventory system here next.